Short, curly, and stunning. These 18 styles are bold, chic, and made to turn heads. Which one will define your next look? 1. Classic curly pixie. Timeless and youthful. This style adds volume and energy for petite faces and high cheekbones. 2. Tapered curls with volume. Defined top curls with shaved sides create a bold silhouette perfect for oval and heart-shaped faces. 3. Curly bob with side part. Elegant and easy to style. This chin-length bob suits round faces and enhances cheekbones. 4. Platinum curly crop. A bold platinum tone paired with soft coil side cutting for those who love contrast and confidence. 5. Tousled layered curls. Effortlessly cool and bouncy, adds natural volume and shape, great for square and angular faces. 6. Curly undercut. Edgy and fashion-forward, keeps curls on top, sides shaved idle for bold personalities. 7. Coily afro with rounded shape. Defined coil shaped into a perfect halo, great for embracing natural texture and symmetry. 8. Wet look short curls. Glossy and stylish, this red carpet-ready look suits sharp jawlines and evening events. 9. Chin-length curly shag. Retro meets modern with layers and movement, perfect for oval and elongated face shapes. 10. Auburn Curly Mop. Warm auburn color enhances natural spirals, youthful and full of life, ideal for fair to medium skin tones. 11. Soft blonde curls with bangs. Romantic and playful curtain bangs frame the face, while soft blonde curls add glow. 12. Jet black tight curls. Deep black ringlets create depth and shine, striking on light to medium skin and define facial features. 13. Shaved sides with curly top. Creative and rebellious shaved sides highlight the texture on top, best for oval and square faces. 14. Curly mohawk. Height and volume down the center with faded sides, perfect for bold women with high fashion taste. 15. Burgundy curls with layers. The rich red tone complements layered coils, adds elegance and depth, great for autumn skin tones. 16. Curly faux hawk. Height and structure without full commitment, fun, edgy, and suits all face shapes. 17. Messy curls with defined ends. Casual yet styled ends are shaped for precision, while the crown stays tousled and relaxed. 18. Soft caramel curly taper. Warm caramel shade adds brightness, shorter sides keep it neat, ideal for confident and professional looks.